Yes, you are correct. As Ethereum continues to grow in popularity and adoption, the demand for faster transaction times and lower fees is increasing. Optimism's optimistic rollup technology provides a promising solution to these challenges by allowing Ethereum-based, decentralized applications, dApps, to process transactions off-chain while maintaining the main blockchain security guarantees. Can you achieve a $1 million return on investment by Optimism? Watch this video for more information. In this video, I'll explain in detail what Optimism is, how it works, and what the difference is between Optimism and Arbitrum. I'll share my predictions for Optimism's future price and growth potential. If you want to stay ahead of the game in the world of blockchain, you won't want to miss this. Welcome to the CryptoPay channel, where we cover everything related to Optimism. Watch the end of this video. Optimism is one of many Layer 2 scaling solutions out there, platforms that are designed to make it quicker and cheaper to work on the blockchain by, in effect, creating an extra layer to the chain where transactions can be processed. It aims to improve scalability by processing transactions off-chain and bundling them into optimistic rollups. It was first proposed in 2019 by its founders Jinglan Wang, Ben Jones, Carl Flush, and Kevin Ho, with its mainnet opening in 2021. How Optimism works: Optimism uses optimistic rollups, which assume transactions to be valid until proven otherwise. This approach allows for faster transaction processing. Transactions are bundled into batches and posted to the Ethereum mainnet, with the associated gas fees distributed across participants. Invalid transactions can be challenged within a specified time period using fraud proofs, and Optimism reimburses the gas fees required for the fraud-proof computation. Popular protocols on Optimism: Synthetics, a derivatives liquidity protocol, is currently the largest protocol on Optimism, with a total value locked (TVL) of $125 million. Uniswap, a decentralized exchange (DEX), is another popular protocol on the Optimism chain. As of now, there are 35 protocols on Optimism with at least $1,000 locked into their smart contracts. Using Optimism, users can interact with Optimism by using their existing Ethereum addresses. They can connect their MetaMask wallets or other compatible wallets to the Optimism network. Optimism's blockchain explorer is similar to Etherscan, making it familiar to Ethereum users. However, users need to have ETH to cover gas fees when using Optimism. These differences between Arbitrum and Optimism can impact how each platform is adopted by developers and users in the future. Launch timelines: at that time, Arbitrum launched its mainnet in August 2021, and Optimism's mainnet was launched in December 2021. Rollup architectures: Arbitrum uses an optimistic rollup, and Optimism uses a ZK rollup. These differences in design have implications for factors such as transaction speed, fees, and withdrawal times. Governance models: while both Arbitrum and Optimism have DAOs to govern their respective protocols, the degree of centralization or community involvement may have evolved since the knowledge cutoff. Ecosystem and partnerships: the ecosystem and partnerships of both Arbitrum and Optimism have expanded since September 2021. Also, you can press the link above this video to get more information about Arbitrum and Optimism. If you are enjoyed this video so far, hit the like button so that this kind of content can reach a wide audience. Back to the video. Technical analysis. Let's take a look at the OP price history. While we do have to remind you that past performance is never any indicator of future results. 31 May 2022, OP token launched with an initial price of $4.57. However, the market quickly determined that it was overvalued, causing the price to drop significantly. On the same day, the price of OP plummeted to a low of $0.7973 before recovering slightly to close at $1.44. This represented a 68.5% decrease from the opening price. The 18th of June 2022, OP reached its all-time low of $0.4005. The token's price had fallen to less than a tenth of its launch price, likely influenced by negative market conditions following the debugging of the UST stablecoin and the collapse of the associated Luna cryptocurrency. Throughout June 2022, the OP token made a slow recovery and finished the month at $0.5434. On the 13th of July 2022, the token fell to $0.4147, indicating a continuation of the bearish trend. The 15th of September 2022, Ethereum's merge took place, which aimed to transition the blockchain to a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. However, the crypto markets did not respond positively as anticipated. On the 28th of September, OP was trading at $0.8917. 21 October 2022, OP experienced a decline, reaching $0.649. The 4th of November 2022, the token witnessed a significant surge, regaining over 108% and reaching $1.3853. This surge was attributed to the launch of Pragmatism, a library design system created by Figma for the Optimism collective. The 10th of November 2022, OP fell to $0.7952 following the collapse of the FTT exchange, which likely had a negative impact on market sentiment. In December 2022, OP began a steady rise. Optimism's announcements regarding the deployment of the attestation station, an attestation smart contract, and the upcoming Optimism non-fungible token, NFT, likely contributed to this upward trend. The 13th of December 2022, OP closed the year at $1.135, showing positive momentum compared to its all-time low. January 2023, OP experienced a rally at the start of the year, reaching a high of $2.5227. The 3rd of February 2023, the token underwent a drop in price but managed to recover to $3.26 on the 24th of February. The 7th of March 2023, OP was trading at approximately $2.52. Price prediction. In 2023, the minimum cost of Optimism will be 75 cents. The maximum level that the OP price can reach is $2.93. The average trading price is expected around $2.44. In 2024, the minimum price of Optimism will be around $3.14. The maximum expected OP price may be around $3.70. On average, the trading price might be $3.25. In 2025, OP is expected to have the following minimum and maximum prices, about $4.50 and $5.45, respectively. The average expected trading cost is $4.63. The year 2030 will be determined by the maximum OP price of $35.29. However, its rate might drop to around $29.15. So, the expected average trading price is $29.98. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching this video.